a little step away from the workbench today because there's new stock in the Spinning World store and I get to do some unboxing videos for you. First up, 2 sets of figures from Hasegawa. Very different subject matter. First up is the fashion and model girls figures. These 2 ladies on the front here. 1/24th scale to go with cars and bikes, and possibly to populate your doll's house if you like the look of them. It's just one simple sprue. This one here. I'm going to keep it in the bag for the time being. And there you got 1 figure, 2 figure, legs, arms, hands, other bits of accessories. Flip it over. Faces, high heels. So looks like it's going to go together quite easily, quite quickly, and then the trick is in painting it. But there is one really useful thing in there, which is this: transfers of eyes. Because let's face it, painting eyes is quite tricky and fiddly and don't always get it right. So several different possible looks for the eyes, glancing in different directions, slightly more open, closed, and finishing touch to your model. So they look like a nice couple to add to your collection. Just open the instructions there. There you go. There's not a lot needed to them. Quick, simple, go together and stand them next to your cars. So that's cool. The next set of figures is the construction worker set. 4 folks in 35th scale, 3 guys and a woman, busy on the building site. So 2 sprues in this one, 1 sprue of figures, and 1 sprue of very detailed equipment and kits. There's a, I'll read the description off the side of what's in here. There is a plate worker who's got one of these reciprocating hammer things to flatten the tarmac. Scoop worker, which I presume is the guy with the spade. And accessories. Okay, I thought there was more description on the back of it than that. So you got a wheelbarrow, somebody with a spade, someone raking up, and one of those hammers for compacting tarmac and the like. So that'll be quite cool. There's figures in the background of a diorama, or if you've got 35th scale machinery, heavy plant, they'll go well with that. I will almost certainly be thinking about possible further equipment to get to design and 3D print to go with these guys. And there we go. So these 2 sets of figures are in the shop now. Pop on over and buy them. I'll stick a link in the bottom of the video.